Let's address a common DevOps cost. Artifact management often runs higher than expected in both spend and engineering hours. Today I'll show you how teams like Carter and PagerDuty migrated and report fewer package headaches. And yes, this covers production workloads, not demos. If you self-host Jfrog or Nexus, you're operating a second stack just to store packages. Cloudsmith is cloud native from day one, not a wrapper, built for modern DevOps. So who are Cloudsmith? Well, they're certainly gaining attention. In March 2025, they got a 23 million Series B, led by TCV. About 75% of revenue from US customers, which is the same number of you that aren't subscribed, so click that subscribe button to help the channel. With a reported 150% year-on-year growth in 2024. Font Awesome reports 0 outages for paid package distribution since moving. PagerDuty, and I quote, "No platform impacting downtime since migration." What matters first, multi-format repos. Python, Docker, NPM and raw binaries in one place. Global delivery via AWS CloudFront with over 600 locations. Little to no config needed. New in 2025, Enterprise Policy Manager with EPSS, not just CVSS. EPSS estimates real exploit likelihood. Policies can deny or quarantine when an EPSS threshold is met without manual steps. VS Code extension reduces context switching. Browse repos, inspect metadata, review vulnerabilities in IDE. Carter moved off of a self-hosted setup with hundreds of devs across the region. I saw an engineer quote which read, "Package management is so easy, we don't have to think about it." That sounds good to me.
Not a DevOps or developer tool that needs traction, MergeReady creates long-form, expert-led videos that turn complex workflows into stories people remember. We build awareness at the top of the funnel and increase adoption where it counts. For transparent estimates, use the pricing calculator at merge-ready.com. Clarity in, adoption out, MergeReady.
Alternatives with trade-offs. Jfrog, it's a powerful tool, and if you run it self-hosted, you have to manage the infrastructure. Xray is an add-on, and pricing often needs a call. Jfrog does also have a SaaS solution. Nexus, widely used. You still operate it unless you buy SaaS. GitHub packages. Repo linked by default, org registries help, but restructures can require updates. With Cloudsmith, you have 30 plus formats, multi-tenant SaaS, and a consumption model that I can get my head around, which is much simpler to model, which, as we all know, is important for us DevOps engineers presenting to stakeholders. Upload a package with a known log4j. Trivy scan runs CVE, flags, EPSS, scored. Policy blocks pull until review if the rule says so. Audit trails show who, what, and why for the decision. In my experience, migration starts with "it's fine" and ends with "why didn't we do that sooner?" Free tier exists with 500 mega storage, 1 GB of delivery. Good for a sprint length trial. If you stop SSHing onto artifact servers after 2 weeks, you'll feel the difference. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay merge ready.